Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone camera and flashlight not working after update iOS 18. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone, tap Reset, tap Reset All Setting, enter your phone passcode. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 2. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, tap Software Update. Software Update is available. Tap Download and install to upgrade the iOS. Solution number 3. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slide to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Thanks for watching this video.